It's snow. This is out the front of the house, and like I said, I can't see it. I guess we won't see.
Blizzard conditions.
There we go. There's the van.
Might have to watch it tomorrow. Record it because there might be over 2 feet of snow. We already got over a foot of snow.
I know we got a lot out there.
Yeah, I know we already got over a foot. You can see it. It added up so quick. You remember how it was like in the 70s?
Yeah.
Upper 70s?
Yes. Well, good morning. It's April Fool's Day. April Fools. Don't I wish? Guess what, folks? Looks to be, somewhere in the vicinity of 18 inches of snow out there. This is from our front window here. Now look at that tree. This is unbelievable. This is April 1st. And we just had 60-degree weather 2 days ago. I'll tell you, this is not what you would call any fun at all out here. Really, look at this place. There's a tree on my truck, on my van. This is unbelievable.
So do you know if there's school today?
There's no school today.
There is.
There's no school. Yeah. Can't believe it. This is looking out the backyard. Look at this. Our biggest snowstorm of the year. Look, not even the thermometer's covered. I'll tell you, look at this.
Whoa, look at the trees over there.
Yes, there. It looks
They're
like,
leaning.
yeah, it looks like we got some broken branches.
Oh, it's too bad though. That means you have to go pick them all up.
Yeah, Andy likes it, that kind of stuff, so. Look at those things. Isn't that beautiful, though?
I know.
Whoa, we can turn sideways like this, too. Whoa. Well, I'm not going to shovel this stuff. So my back is already killing me. Tell you, what a beautiful sight, though. Really nice and clean and washed. And
I know, when you think of white, you usually think of cleanliness.
see what we got here. Yeah. Wow. Way down in the back down there. There's trees. That one's got a great branch down on that. Wonderful. And it's still snowing out. Still not out of it yet. They still, look at that. Oh, I can't believe it.
Still snow.
I can still see the snow coming down.
Oh yeah, I can too. Oh boy.
That tree's just bent right
It's
over.
supposed to stop in the afternoon. So it means we're going to probably get like about 2 or 3 more inches.
How much snow there was in the camper? Really. Outside here. Whoa. It's up to my knees. What do you think, Andy? Yeah, it's up to your knees, huh?
Yeah.
Down there? Wow. gotta dig it all out.
The snow is up to my kneecap. I'm on higher than it now.
Yeah.
Man, my hand's cold already. I reckon you want your
Wow.
van of
Huh.
Jonathan's supposed to come up to a warm.
Big tree, huh? Yeah, he's having fun.
Me too, I just need to get some new pair of gloves on. My hands are
It
frozen.
says it's up past his kneecaps, huh?
Yeah. It's okay, I'll just leave it. I'll be right back.
It's definitely a.
I could probably climb it.
Can't even sweat
There's
it.
a huge tree down there.
Oh yeah.
You can see it too. It's flames
It looks like one of those ones I liked.
Huh.
before too. It was like fucking. Now it's all down.
There's definitely a lot of
You're
snow.
gonna have a fun time following this.
Yeah.
Well, it's not that deep.
Tell me about it.
It's hot.
Oh, yeah.
Where the snow?
Yeah, there's it is. It says 19 inches here. Backyard it says 20. That's the depth of the snowfall here.
Yeah.
Let's
Trees
take
down.
let's take a walk over here on the wild side over here. Whoa. I'll tell you what, this is tough.
Oh yeah.
That's the tree we wanted to take down anyhow for the garden. No, well, it's down. Look at it. Right there.
There are other trees.
Huh?
Took down other trees. One is on.
Whoa. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, maybe it's another one.
Wanna come down this way? Show more.
No, I'm not going down that way because I'm not going under that tree.
Let's go the other way. See what the.
I've already been out in the back, so.
A lot. Ooh, this is. This is April Fool's joke.
Yes, it is. Nice day for it, huh?
Not a great time for it. It just happened last night.
Yeah, I'll tell you. It looks better than it did this morning, though.
Oh yeah. See that backyard. I could sled down here for.
Wow. Tell you, for April Fool's Day, this is really, even those trees are down.
Some of them are we wanted down there.
Yeah.
There's
Well,
a huge branch over there.
as the saga rolls to an end here, and I have to go to work, as I've got all the shoveling done here, we close with this wonderful thought. Spring is coming.